Hello Pythonistas, welcome to Pythonista Geek channel. So today we are going to concentrate in a new topic called as slicing in Python. So before going to slicing in Python, there is something which we should know in detail, that is called as indexing. So what is indexing? Indexing is nothing but we are going to number our elements which are available. Now in this case, I am going to take a list as an example. We can have a list or a string, which have an or a tuple. So whatever we need, we can index them. That is, we can number them. So as already said to you guys, always number starts from 0 in case of Python programming. Not only Python, in all the programming languages, numbers starts from 0. So just imagine if I am going to number the whole thing from starting from 0, then it is going to go like this, right? So starting from 0, I am going to number 0 is for apple, 1 is for orange, 2 is for grape, 3 is for watermelon, 4 is for kiwi, and 5 is for pineapple. So this process of numbering from 0 till we end the list is called as forward indexing. So this process of numbering is called as forward indexing, where the first element is going to be always 0. There is another kind of indexing called as backward indexing or negative indexing. Negative indexing is nothing but we are going to start our index from last. So the last element here starts from -1. To be sure, I am saying here starts from 0 first element and the last element's number is always -1. And the last before is -2. Next is -3, -4, -5 and -6. So these are the two kinds of indexing. If you want to have an element called as watermelon, then you can either make it as forward indexing like fruits of 3 or fruits of -3. Both is going to give you watermelon. If you want to take grapes, then you can either make it as fruits of 2 or fruits of -4. So both forward indexing and backward indexing plays an important role in accessing each and every element in a list. So these two are the main parts which I wanted to say. So let us quickly start doing with the help of a program the same thing I have made here, and I am going to print and see maybe grapes. Okay, grapes is in forward indexing, fruit of 0, 1, 2. So 2. This should give grapes for forward indexing. And again I am going to print in backward indexing also the same grapes. Fruits of, so -1, -2, -3, -4. So I'm going to write -4. So if we run and see this program, we need to get both as grapes. Yeah, can you see? Both the output is grapes. So this is how forward indexing and backward indexing works. This is very helpful when we don't know what is the last element and I need to access only the last element irrespective of how much ever elements are available in a list or a tuple or a string. At that time, we can easily make it as fruits of -1 because -1 is going to be always a last element and 0 is going to be always the first element. I think this indexing concept is clear. Now moving on to the slicing. So slicing in Python is if you want to have a cut of some of the elements from the whole list, then we can use a slicing. Like if I want to take orange, grape and watermelon alone, then I can use the slicing technique to make this orange, grape and watermelon into a new list for future purposes. This is what slicing in simple words I can say, and there are many methods of slicing for us. So slicing is usually done with the colon operator. So what is this colon operator going to do? We can see it with some examples. So here what we are doing is I'm going to see the index with the help of three types of values, which is starting index, ending index, and the step count. So the first value is the starting, second value is the ending, and the step count is going to be the number of count which we are going to skip, the same as the range which we learned for the for loops. So now we can try to have some examples here. Now if I am going to print fruits of, so as I said, we can start from orange and end at watermelon. So what should I do? Orange index number, starting number is going to be 1. So starting number is 1. Then the ending number is going to be without inclusion. So if I am going to write 1, 2, 3, then only till grape it will be printing, not till the watermelon. So I need to write 4. 4 means 4 minus 1 till watermelon it will be printed. As of now, I need all the elements, so my step count is going to be 1. Now, if I run and see this program, it will give me another list which is containing only orange, grape and watermelon. Just imagine I need only orange and watermelon but not grape. Then my step count will change to 2. Now if I am running and seeing the program, again, orange and watermelon is going to be printed because I am skipping one element. My step count is 2 now. Now it is clear, I guess. And if I am not going to write any value in the step count, then it will automatically consider it as 1. And if I am not going to write any value at the end, it will automatically consider the length of the element. So from orange till the end, we are going to print it. And if I am not also considering any starting number also, then it will give a copy of the same things, the same set of all the elements. Now if I am giving only the ending number, I need from the starting till kiwi. So what is my number going to be? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 is going to be my number because pineapple will not be included here. Perfect. Now if I need only the step count, like from the first element I need all the alternate elements, then my step count will be 2 here. So I got all the alternate elements. So to be more precise, I can say the default value for all the three parameters is going to be for starting number 0, for ending number it is going to be the length, and for the step count it is going to be 1. And all the three things are optional here. So now I think slicing is very bit clear for you. And that's it for today, friends. Bye bye. This is Shravanti.